Hello, friends. Hope you're doing great. In today's lesson, use of have or has. Number one, he has new shoes. Next, they have two books. I have a new dress. She has a red pencil. We have a good teacher. You have a nice house. I have an eraser. Moniza has a red hat. I have many friends. We have a small car. He and I have many friends. The men have many books. The children have toys. The boy has a new suit. The women have new hats. The girl has a friend. Mr. Bilal has a big house. We have 3 books. The girl has a red suit. She has a pretty hat. Now, let's move to the use of is or are. Number 1, the children are in the house. The news are very bad today. The people are here now. The men are good looking. The woman is very pretty. The family is quite big. The United States is interesting. The money is on the desk. The girl is very beautiful. Now, let's move to the use of in or on. The students are in the room now. Does Johar work in a store? Is the photograph on the front wall? The book on the table is interesting. Is the rug on the floor pretty? The 2 coats are on the chair. The flower in the garden is pretty. The words on this page is hard. The words in that book are difficult. Now, let's move to the next one. The use of words like tall, new, pretty, etc. Use 15 different words. Number 1, a tall boy. The pretty girl. The new book. An attractive car. The beautiful houses. Those intelligent students. The heavy box. A nice new hat. An interesting book. These beautiful flowers. A tall man. Those 3 women. The new words. A hard lesson. The raincoat. Now, let's move to the use of do, does, am, are, or is. Number 1. Do you know this word? Is that boy from England? Are these men come from Europe? Are these students? Are the people in the room? Are the books on the table? Is the money on the table? Are you from South America? Do the words seem hard? Are the women students here? Does she like milk in the coffee? Do Mr. and Mrs. Salim teach English? Are the news good today? Does the man study in this class? Is that an ashtray on the table? Do you know the new student? Are they in the room now? So that's all for today. Hope to join you pretty soon. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.